guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable multiple clocks is showing on your Windows 11. So as you can see guys in my screen, here is showing two more clocks in my Taskbar Windows PC home screen. So if you want to disable this, you can try this easy and simple method. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings. Okay, in the Windows settings, in the left panel here you can get the option time and language. Open it like this and go to date and time settings like this. Okay, and here guys, scroll down, here you can get the option additional clocks. Just click and open it like this. From here you need to uncheck this all clocks from here and then click on apply and click on OK. That's it. So now as you can see guys, there is no more clock is showing in my screen Windows PC, as you can see. Okay, so this is the way to remove this. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.